Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Big Joy of Learning with Bijoy Ji. Today, we are diving into a topic that might make you rethink what's on your wrist. Smartwatches. They're sleek, they're stylish, and they help us stay connected and healthy. But what if I told you that some of these devices could be hiding a dangerous secret? Let's talk about the shocking discovery of cancer-causing forever chemicals in popular smartwatch brands. First things first. What are forever chemicals? These are scientifically known as PFAS or per- and polyfluoroalkyl substances. They're called forever chemicals because they don't break down easily in the environment or our bodies. Over time, they can accumulate and have been linked to serious health issues like cancer, thyroid problems, and immune system damage. Now, here's where it gets concerning. A recent study tested 15 popular smartwatch brands, including those from big names like Apple and Nike. The results? Many of these brands contained alarmingly high levels of PFAS. These chemicals were found in the materials used to make the watch straps, materials like rubber, plastic, and even leather, often treated with PFAS for water and stain resistance. The study found that some of these bands had PFAS levels way above what's considered safe. And here's the kicker. Since smartwatches are worn directly on the skin, often for hours or even days at a time, the risk of these chemicals being absorbed into your body is much higher. Over time, this could lead to serious health problems. So, what does this mean for you? Should you stop wearing your smartwatch altogether? Not necessarily. But there are steps you can take to protect yourself. First, check the materials used in your watch band. Opt for bands made from natural materials like organic cotton, stainless steel, or silicone, which are less likely to contain PFAS. Second, demand transparency from manufacturers. Ask questions about what goes into the products you buy. And third, support stronger regulations to limit the use of these harmful chemicals in consumer products. This isn't just about smartwatches. It's part of a bigger issue. PFAS are found in so many everyday products, from non-stick pans to waterproof jackets. The more we learn, the clearer it becomes that we need to take action to protect our health and the environment. At the end of the day, technology is supposed to make our lives better, not put our health at risk. By staying informed and making smarter choices, we can enjoy the benefits of gadgets like smartwatches without compromising our well-being. So, what do you think about this discovery? Will you be checking your smartwatch band after watching this? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more updates on health, tech, and other topics. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a big joy of learning.